Okay, it's Mr. Gibson here, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can evaluate limits where direct substitution doesn't work. So we've got two examples here where direct substitution doesn't work. Here we plug in 1 and you get the 0 in the denominator, so you have something undefined. Again, you plug in 0 here and you get 0 in the denominator, which is undefined. So we're left with this question: what can we do in a situation like this? So there's a couple things we can do. In a problem such as this, if you can factor easily, you can factor and see if something divides out. So let me show you guys what I mean by that. So if I look at this, I can factor this top part. Multiplies to get -3, adds to get 2. Well, that's going to be x plus 3, x minus 1 over x minus 1. Okay, bring that down. Well, as you can see, these cancel out. So I'm left with the limit as x approaches 1 of x plus 3. I directly substitute, get this limit to equal 4. So the limit of this whole thing equals 4. We factored and we divided out, and we're able to use something that we can then directly substitute. All right, the other thing I'm going to show you guys you can do is you can rationalize a function. So what I mean by this is I'm going to take this is a square root, and rationalize it, so I'm going to use its conjugate. So I'm going to multiply by its conjugate. So x plus 4 plus 2 over x plus 4 plus 2. Again, essentially, we make this 1. We're multiplying by 1, okay? So I don't really change anything about the expression. I'm just kind of using a trick to change how it looks. So square root of x plus 4 times square root of x plus 4 is you're going to get x plus 4. Okay, what's nice about a conjugate is you'll have this times 2, positive 2, and then negative 2 times this. So you have the negative and the positive of the same thing. They'll cancel out. And then I have negative 2 times 2, which is -4. And on the bottom, I'm just going to leave it as x times square root of x plus 4 plus 2. X minus 4, x plus 4 minus 4, okay, just equals x. I have square root of x plus 4 plus 2. Limit as it approaches 0. These x's cancel because this x is multiplying that whole thing. We're not adding it together. And I'm left with 1 over square root of x plus 4 plus 2, limit as x approaches 0. Okay? So we're just going to plug in 0 for x. I get 1 over 0 plus 4 plus 2, which would equal 1 over 2 plus 2, which is 1/4. So this whole thing, the limit as it approaches 0, this whole thing equals 1/4. Okay, again, I use the conjugate to rationalize the expression. Okay, I'll post the notes of this, and you can finish the assignment. Thanks.